I'm vlogging this. Come on. I low-key have to.
For her, bro.
Please.
I'll go first. Bro, you gotta go first, bro. This is the time. Yeah.
There's a chair for somebody if they want to sit.
Bro, you gotta...
Michelle, did you see the picture that this?
No, are you crazy?
Okay, so you're doing the nose piercing, right?
Yes.
What side is it going to be on?
The left side.
Okay. So we'll clean it, we'll mark it, we'll ask you if it was a 2 out of 10 or not.
Oh, right, yeah, of course. And I'm gonna lie and say it's 2 out of 10.
It low-key probably will be, though.
I will believe that you believe that.
Okay.
It's always 2 out of 10.
But low-key, a lot of piercings, like, word, though.
Oh.
Depends. I mean, nose, I would say, yeah. Other ones, like industrials, works, probably not. They have to lie for camera. Okay. What do you think about that spot? Like, actually, or?
No, actually, I was thinking to put it in that little, fold with my buttons. But I think that would be good.
Okay. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm not even nervous.
You're gonna watch?
Yes.
Okay. I mean,
I mean,
some people are like, you
She
know.
literally loves piercings. Like this is her moment right here.
oh my gosh.
You okay?
Yep.
How was that?
Oh my gosh, that's insane.
Okay, now that you're in the middle of it, 2 out of 10 or
Oh,
no?
of course.
No, seriously.
I would say it's like a 5.
Okay.
For me, personally.
You're literally almost crying, bro.
Your eyes are always gonna water.
Yeah, your eyes always have water. Perfect. See how much extra space you have?
Yeah.
For whatever reason your nose were to excessively swell,
Mm-hmm.
you could come back and request an extra long one. We'll upsize it free of charge, okay?
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Are you planning on wearing a hoop in the future?
Yes.
Okay. 6 to 9 months roughly, we could do that.
Okay.
But for now, that's your little friend.
You did that so fast. Oh my gosh.
Loki could have done it a little bit faster, but
Oh yeah.
she had the mirror there.
Yeah,
I was watching-
It was her fault.
Performance
No. Totally
Wait,
fine.
here. Move that down. Why do you have a nose piercing? That's so crazy. Woo! She's been wanting this for a long time.
Really?
No.
Yes. That's why it was perfect timing when I saw you guys. She wanted it for a long time. And she was
Who else better to do it?
No, actually,
Yeah,
exactly.
exactly. It was. We couldn't have written this if we planned it. Right?
Honest to God, no.
Literally not.
That's crazy. I would be too if I were you. I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding. Yours easy too. You guys could just switch spots.
And then after this, I'm taking a picture with all of you guys.
Let's do it.
Together.
She's like, you won't believe what
I know,
manifested.
Look at this. We did it. We said we were gonna do it. We did it.
And I wasn't expecting it to be this soon.
She was ready.
I've been ready.
Yeah.
She was ready, and then she was like,
I've been ready since high school, man.
So it's
Ever
like-
since I started
That's
making your videos, I've been ready
crazy.
for it.
That's crazy.
yeah. So now she got it.
Okay, this side?
Yes.
Okay.
And you-
Take a deep breath.
I'm finding it.
You're able to get your ear pierced with a gun eye clear. It's like you're
But that was like, I was on an adrenaline rush. I'm not on that.
Loki, I have to go low because it's blocking my view.
Is my hair back?
No, you're good, you're good.
Okay.
I'm being extra.
Can I slap?
No,
Is
you
that better?
can't.
No.
You have to
Straight,
sit
buddy.
up.
No, however you're comfortable.
It's for the vlog.
We're doing it dead center, right?
Yes.
So this is where that would be. See that?
I think that's cool.
Yeah?
You like it? I mean, it's on you. You kind
Yeah.
of have to like it. You kind of
Yeah.
like it.
No, I think that's good. I think it's perfect.
Okay. There's no right or wrong when it comes to this stuff. It's more preference.
Yeah, you can say no.
I can say no.
If you really
Yeah.
want to. Even if it's like a millimeter higher or lower.
Which I did end up fixing it for somebody.
Can I just see how it looks a little bit lower?
Yeah.
No, give me out.
Actually, you know what?
His feelings for the-
Here. This is what it looked like exactly where I marked it.
Okay.
And if we go a little bit lower, it would be right there.
Actually, I think I like exactly where you marked it.
I knew you would.
He's been doing this for a little while. He knows what he's doing.
No, but sometimes people have a very particular preference.
Yeah, I'm not.
Like my wife, I'm used to that. I'm like, I like where I like it. She's like, no, but I want it here.
You know what?
All right.
Keep that.
I think that's a woman thing.
Yeah.
Yes. Say that way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Put the back of your head down, like that,
Yes.
and then hold the mirror up higher, so so you can see it.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Turn your head to the right.
That way.
Yeah, that's perfect. All right. Take a deep breath in. I'm already done. How was that?
Bad.
Yeah?
She's supposed to say it's not bad.
No, it was?
I like the honesty.
It was a 2 out of 10. Just say that for the camera real quick.
It was like a 2 out of 10.
But realistically, it was like, what, 8?
Yeah.
No way.
I just hate
Pain.
needles. No, just specifically on my ears. My ears are really sensitive, I think.
Well, this is not going to encourage anyone to get this piercing anymore.
Pain is no, guys, this was actually really... Oh, yeah, the swag 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll get over the pain. Pain
Yeah.
is temporary.
Exactly.
It's all in your mind.
It literally is. And in your ear.
Yeah, well, for right now.
For now.
And for a few months.
No, the soreness of it will go away in a few weeks,
No,
yeah.
I'm so cool now. I got another piercing.
You're gonna keep getting cooler because I'm gonna keep bringing you back.
Oh.
Yeah, we're not moving anytime soon.
I'll sit on
I'm
that
tired
chair.
of moving.
I'll just watch you.
Okay.
I have a tab here.
You're gonna have a tab. They're just gonna be like that.
Can you imagine?
I'm back.
You're like, keep it open. I'm coming back.
Actually, I'll be back tomorrow. Like,
You would be back tomorrow.
Oh, I'm
They're
gonna
gonna
bring
bring their
Christine.
friend.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna bring Christine because she doesn't understand the lore runs deep.
You're gonna be like their spokesperson. They're
The
right.
lore runs so deep, it's insane.
I can't wait to hear more about it.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Wait, this is Loki fire.
Okay, so now
Okay.
you guys gotta take a picture with him. Just
Okay.
for me.
Real quick,
Yes,
I want to
the
show
one of
you.
you.
See how long this guy is?
Uh-huh.
First one.
Look in the mirror.
Look at him.
See how long this guy is?
Yeah.
Be very careful not to snag on it. They have really nice curly hair that I'm very jealous about because I'm bald. So, yeah.
I will very much.
Be very careful it doesn't
Right.
catch it.
Okay.
But it might, which is inevitable.
Yeah.
And just don't freak out and just stop by if you ever need us to look at it.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Just keep it clean like I showed you, and that's it.
See
Yeah.
how this goes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give that to him. I want to take a picture of all
That's
of
the
you.
honest truth.
I'm sending this to Heather. Like, this is where I was today with my girl.
I want
You gotta get in there too.
Oh, I
Yes,
gotta
you
get.
do.
Let me get a little.
No, okay, first the three of you.
First
Okay,
the
one
Oh,
is-
you gotta get on the chair.
Yeah, you gotta get on the chair.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'll stand next to bro.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I like that.
I'm taking videos. So.
Oh,
Okay.
heck yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hula.
Okay, so now you
Swag
get in here.
10 out of
Get in
10.
here. Next to your
Swag
husband.
10 out of
Next to your
10.
husband. All right. All right, I'm sitting this with her.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
It was nice meeting you guys.
Get your solution.
Oh yeah, the same link. Yes.
I'm glad that we came.
Absolutely.
Me too.
Full circle moment.
No,
Yeah,
for
you
her.
were.
Oh, she's so excited.
I'm still. This is like celebrity for me. I just
Yeah.
don't get it. You don't even.
I get a kick every time
I
someone
know.
comes in.
If you want, you could go to Westminster Mall. The empty store is still there.
Leave in the corner and just
Yeah.
sit in there. Oh my god. I just
The sign's up there.
breathe it in.
They've left it, so
That's crazy.
just to do a little walk.
Just to feel it. Be like I was there.
I think the pretzel place still open if you want to just,
Oh, for
Get a
real?
pretzel.
I don't know, get a pretzel, walk around.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro.
This is
Dreams,
awesome.
dreams do come
Cool.
true.
Yes.
I believe-
Look at this.
I believe it.
Right?
This is perfect.
I believe it.
This is perfect. Things happen for a reason.
Yeah, thanks
They
for
do happen.
working for the city.
Oh, yes.
Like the city is crazy.
Yes. Fuck the city. Yes. Just kidding.
Bye, guys.
Bye.